seen the videos of the people of Gaza. How many times are they asking, where is Allah? If the kings of the world knew what we have in our chests of happiness, لَجَالَدُونَ بِالسُّيُوفِ, they would fight us with swords to try to get it out of us.
Indeed, the Quran is clear signs, clear guidance in the chests of those who have been given knowledge. Allahu Akbar.
The messenger will say on the day of judgment, "O my Lord, my people, these ones, they abandoned the Quran and didn't live with it in their life." He'll complain, we don't want to be among them.
Do it for the sake of Allah and not for the sake of Abdullah. I have my own struggles, you have your struggles. Do not allow those who are sitting and watching from afar to make you become despondent to the degree that you feel you're not even a good Muslim.
I ask you, Ya Allah, by every name you have named yourself with.
Tune into Light Upon Light every Tuesday and Friday at 9 p.m. exclusively on Eman Channel.